There is no field or subspecialty of medicine more exciting than cardiology. It seems like there's new discoveries every day. And how do people who practice cardiovascular medicine keep up? Well, it's through courses like the Scottsdale Interventional Forum. When you think of Scottsdale Interventional Forum and its world-class faculty and the interaction of attendees with that faculty, there's not another course like this anywhere in the country.
What we do is we cover the whole breadth of cardiovascular care, from coronary intervention to structural intervention, along with invasive and interventional echocardiography.
When you look at the agenda for this year's SIF 2020, it's a very unique learning opportunity. Live cases from top centers throughout the country. It's got an international faculty, fellows course, nursing symposia, and a number of hands-on educational symposia. One of the real highlights of this year's meeting is the Pathoanatomic Correlation Conference, which is going to come live from the University of Washington, Seattle, with Dr. Mark Reisman. This is a really rare and unique opportunity to learn about the pathologic mechanisms of disease, looking at real autopsy specimens. So come join us at SIF 2020 in Scottsdale, Arizona. We look forward to seeing you there.